Hi everybody, this is Sir back another day with another video. It's been a while, and there are reasons for that. And the box came damaged like that. So let's open it up and see what's in it. So as you can see in the description, it's the, what are they now called? HQ7978-102 35th anniversary soft medium pink. And another pair of shoes. That will be another video. But if you want to see videos about these shoes, there are a bunch of them already where people hate them. And usually in my videos I talk about my personal reason for buying them. And this time I'm going to talk even more about the personal thing about them. So I'm going to wait with opening the box and I usually don't care when the box is damaged because I don't save the boxes, I don't care. But these shoes I care about for a couple of reasons. And I really like it when Jordan do the matching boxes with the shoes instead of the OG boxes, which should be correct to the OG retros. So this box is a little bit irritating that it's damaged. So these shoes, I've known that they were going to drop for at least a year, I think. I've said since December or January, since a year back, that these are the shoes that I'm mostly looking forward to for the whole year. All of the Air Jordan drops, all the sneaker drops. These are the shoes that I'm most looking forward to. And every time when I want something, they either don't drop them in Europe or only in women's sizes or something. Something happens every time. And this time I even made room for them. So I really prepared for them. And they got dropped in US and not in Europe. And I searched and searched and asked around everywhere. And then a couple of personal things happened and the shoes got dropped in Europe. And I, for the first time ever, didn't care about buying them. Even though I've been looking forward to them for about a year. And just to explain, even when I was in a coma or just right out of the coma, I started buying shoes. So shoes to me means a lot. It's a big part of my life. So the shoes that I've been looking forward to mostly the whole year, I didn't care to buy them. And then one morning I paid a bunch of things, nothing joyful. So I just thought that when I'm spending a lot of money on things that I don't want to spend money on, might as well buy me something nice for myself. So I bought 3 jackets and 2 pair of shoes and something else. I don't remember what. And yeah, that is stupid, but that is how I work. So if I need to pay something that I don't want to put money on, I buy something else as well that I want to make me happy. And the shoes came home. I didn't even care to open the box. And Black Friday came. They were on 25% sale or something. And I thought, oh yeah, that was just typical. Because they are still available everywhere in all sizes. Because people hate these shoes. I don't understand why, but people hate them. Black Friday came. So yeah, that's typical. Cyber Monday came, where BSTN had like 30%, no, I think more. They were already some kind of, let's say 10% discount or something. And then with the Cyber Monday code, you get extra 30% discount. So 30% on the already 10%. Or, you understand what I mean. So they were cheap. And with BSTN, I usually pay in euro. I paid them on the, I think it's a German site. But this time I got directed to a Swedish site with the Swedish prices that are a bit more. So I thought that maybe the Swedish rules works there. So I actually sent them a mail and asked them, because in Sweden it's like that. If you buy something and it ends up on sale within 30 days or something, like a month, you can get the money difference back or return the shoes and get the money, buy them again and get them cheaper. So I tried, I asked, and BSTN told me that I can ship the shoes back, but they answered me to yesterday, I think. And today is Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. So Cyber Monday sale was already over anyway. But I could have bought them on Monday with discount and returned the shoes that I haven't opened yet and got them way cheaper. So I didn't get them cheap. So about the shoes, I haven't seen them yet in hand, but I think they are great. Another thing that I should not do is to plan my videos ahead, because every time I do that, I plan what I'm going to say, it ends up being crap. This time as well. This time I wanted to explain to you how it works when a celebrity gets to pick the shoes to put their name on. So let's say Nike, Adidas with the Pharrells. Pharrell gets to go in a room with upcoming releases and pick the shoes to put his name on. The shoes have already been designed, not produced in numbers, but the prototype is already there, already done, and the celebrity gets to pick whatever shoe he wants to be signed on, to put his name on or her name on. And if Jordan Brand would have told me, Pierre, this shoe is already done, do you want to put your name on it? I would say yes. I like them that much. And I'm going to explain to you why. But I would be proud to have this already done shoe as a Sir Pierre edition. So I really like them. There are other shoes. I'm gonna get to that maybe after I showed you the shoes that you have already seen in other videos. So yeah, let's open the box, but for that I'm gonna put on the flash. I didn't get the effect that I was hoping for, but I will try to do that afterwards. Very well packed with separate papers on the shoes. We appreciate that. That is to protect the shoes, but it gives us a better unboxing feeling. Feels more luxurious. All right, nice. So now I don't know if you see that the shoes are white or that they are reflective. They are supposed to be very reflective. I'm going to give you a look on another pair of shoes just to show you. So it should look the same now on video. So I think these are wonderful. White and pink. And usually when they do pink on shoes, they don't drop them for men and men's sizes. These, I believe, came in all family sizes. And usually I would say that these shoes shouldn't have the Nike Air and they shouldn't have the 23 because it's not the OG retro. But the extra pink effect here, I appreciate it. And pink, what is this on the tongue? So on the tongue we have, this is new, to protect the tongue, piece of paper. That was new. So on the tongue we have a wrinkled pink Jumpman and pink inside and red for some reason. It's a standard red Jumpman underneath. It should have done that pink as well. And in the air bubble, they should have had pink in there as well. On some shoes, I don't remember which ones. I don't know if it was Jordans or Air Max 90s. They put the same color in the air bubble. But people, these are nice. These are really nice. So people complain about the quality, that they will crease because the 3M material will crease. And I think these are correct in every way, because let me turn off the flash and see if you see them as white. So now they should just look white to you. White sneaker is always nice. Air Jordan 5, white, always nice. Pink, when you celebrate 35 years anniversary, the gift you should give away is coral. And I don't know if coral is always pink, but sometimes it can be pink. So that is correct. And to me, the Air Jordan 5 should be reflective, at least a tongue. The Air Jordan 5 was the first shoe that had a reflective tongue or reflective anything. So to make the whole shoe reflective, to me that is absolutely great celebration. Great way to tribute the Air Jordan 5. So the only thing that I don't like with some of the Air Jordan 5s are the lack of reflective tongue, like the grapes. So the Air Jordan 5 should have a reflective tongue, and to celebrate the Air Jordan 5 with the whole shoe reflective, wonderful. And it doesn't look reflective if you see it like this. And then with the pink, if it's to celebrate the 35th anniversary, the gift of coral, that is nice. But I like it no matter the reason, because it's a nice pink. Medium soft pink is the name of the pink. So let's see if I can give you the reflective look if I turn down the lights. Yeah, now you see them as reflective, but I noticed right away that the older ones, they really shine reflective. So these are amazing. I have a bunch of reflective shoes. I like that. I believe these are also reflective. These are also white and reflective. So these shoes, a couple of years ago, they dropped a women's only pink and gray. Yeah, pink and gray. Those were really nice, but they weren't available in my size. And then we have the green bean. Green bean, where are those? Yeah, the green bean are also really reflective. So usually when you have the reflective effect, the shoes are gray, which you probably can see now. So the gray material gives you the more reflective look. But these are white, and these are called Singles Day Tropical Island or something, Island Green. These are also white and then reflective. So I like it when shoes are really white, when you don't have the reflective effect. The gray reflective is sort of boring, but that's the most common one. And the gray reflective is more effective. Should probably look a lot more reflective than the white ones. As you probably can see there, I have a couple of reflective shoes, and you usually don't see that with your own eyes. But when you're hit with a flash, then you will see it, or the others will see it. And the whole thing with the Air Jordan 5 with the reflective tongue was that Michael Jordan wanted to be more visible in photos when he dunked. So that's why the Air Jordan 5 got the reflective tongue. And I really think that an Air Jordan 5 should have a reflective tongue. I really like that. I have reflective jackets and reflective bunch of things. And the reflective series, where they dropped the 6, 7, and 8, those are really reflective. I had a team. I was at a car show this Easter, I have 2 pair of shoes with me for every day, and this year's theme for me was reflective shoes. So to say it once again, I really like reflective shoes, and I like pink. Pink is a very rare color when it comes to men's sneakers. So these, I love them. I've been looking forward to them, to get them for over a year. I got really frustrated, I can't even speak, when they were first released in US and not in Europe. I was afraid that they were not going to get to Europe. And yeah, I paid full price, but I would have done that no matter what. And they will be very cheap because nobody likes them, because the creases, the reflective 3M material, they crease. And people don't buy Air Jordans anymore. So I will probably buy another pair when they are really on sale. When they're like 50% sale or something, then I will buy another pair, I think, because I really do like them. I've said that I won't buy anymore. I won't double up on anything anymore because I don't have the space for it. And I've made space for these a year ago. I don't know what more to say. Let me show you what they look like on feet. What I forgot to mention is that the shoes have the OG Air Jordan 5 silhouette look, the toe box, and I believe that the tongue is the right size. It's just that I'm used to having the huge Air Jordan 5 tongue. So I prefer the bigger Air Jordan 5 tongue, but I believe that this is the correct one. And I would say that they are true to size. My most viewed sneaker unboxing is on a pair of reflective Air Jordan 1s. So, but this video will get maybe 50 views. Nice, comfortable. I have no complaints at all. I really, really like them. Let me show you what they look like without the flash. So now you should see them used as a pair of white Air Jordan 5 with some pink. Really, really nice. They will end up on sale and I will get me another pair. These I really like. Now I'm a little bit happy for the moment about sneakers again. If you have watched this long, just say yes. That's it. And if you like them, let me know. What do you think about reflective shoes in general? And this long video, I'm too tired. Thanks for watching. I don't get the effect that I want to on video. So this is the light with the lights on. Let me show you what it looks like in a dark room. So of course completely dark, and now with flash. So this is with flash. So now they are not white, they are reflective. And the room is all dark.